Hello marketers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see how you can effectively segment your audience and run retargeting campaigns if you are into B2B business. Whether your price point is lower or higher, running a retargeting campaigns, in other words, say mid-funnel campaign is very important. People don't buy right away when they land on your website, especially if you are in B2B businesses. You'll have a considerable decision-making journey and it is very important for you to have an effective remarketing strategy set in place for them. Now let's see what are all the audience segments that you can create, optimize them for bottom funnel events with CustomerLabs, and run retargeting campaigns to increase your conversions.
Now let's dive into the strategies. The first strategy is to retarget your cold leads from CRM. Now every business will have many lead stages and some will be considered warm and other will be considered cold. The warmer leads will convert sooner, whereas when it comes to colder leads, you need to nurture them a little more. That is where the retargeting campaigns for cold lead stages comes into the picture. So what we did for one of our clients is they had a set of 11 um, lead stages and some were considered cold. So what we did was we consolidated all those leads into a single audience segment, pushed that to the ad platforms, and we pushed that to Meta. And we saw an exceptional conversion rate with this particular campaign. So this is one of the successful strategy that we implemented for our B2B client and also for many B2C clients as well. Now the second strategy is to retarget people who have viewed high intent pages on your website. And by high intent pages, I mean your pricing page, solution page, and your integration page. You can combine all these multiple high intent pages into a single audience segment and push that to ad platforms to run your retargeting campaigns as well. Now, the third strategy is to retarget based on actions. And by actions, I mean people who have read your blog 2 times from a particular location, or people who have clicked a video button on your website, or a newsletter subscription button on your website, or a scroll event. You can customize this whichever way you want, but with CustomerLabs, you'll be able to create those audience segments very seamlessly. Now, what happens when you create all these segments with CustomerLabs? First strategy will have the users personal identifying parameters. But the other things is like an anonymous data. People who viewed your pricing page and solution page will not reveal their personal identifying information such as email or phone number. So in that case, they stay anonymous. With CustomerLabs, we will be able to collect those anonymous users and push them to app platforms. By pushing the known and the unknown users to the app platforms, you see an increased custom audience match rate, which in turn gives you a better retargeting performance. Let's say your CPM will be lower and your CPC will be lower, your CPA will be lower, and this is all because your custom audience match rate is higher. If you want to implement all these strategies, just book a one-on-one demo with us, or else you can start your 14 days free trial with CustomerLabs. You can also join the community. The link is in the description. We share a lot of first-party data strategies there. Thanks for watching the video.